Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I am so excited for today's video because we are going to unbox two beautiful pieces of jewelry from Taylorkom Jewelry Co. But before we dive into the video, I would love to say thank you to Jamie for reaching out and for sending me this gift. While this is my first time working with this company, I am super excited, not just because it's jewelry and jewelry is our thing, but I have spent substantial amount of time exploring their website, reading reviews, and I must say I am impressed. So I cannot wait to get my hands on them. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing. This is the most exciting part. Right off the bat, you can see the white box. So they got the company name, and let's open. Oh my god. Okay, there's lots of things happening, and I can see pink or kind of peachy color box inside. So as mentioned, I've got two items. One is a ring and one is bracelet. So I'm guessing this is the small box. It has the ring inside. This is a longer box. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's like suede velvety feeling. It's so cute. You can really tell that they put a lot of thoughts into their packaging because they got lots of extras. See? It's got this pouch, got this envelope, it's also got their name on it. Let's see what's inside. Oh, jewelry polishing cloth. Oh my god, it's so cute. That's what inside. And it also comes with paper bag. And last but not the least are these two certificates from GRA. It's from the Global Gemological Research Association, which I'm going to talk about a little bit more later in the video because I'd like to show you the products first before we touch on to this one. So, moment of truth. So excited. Let us open the ring first. Look at this box. Beautiful. It's sturdy. Oh, okay. So in this white box is another box. Another box. It has a gold plate here that also says Taylorkom. And are you ready? Because I am so ready. No way! They put it inside the plastic. Wow! Oh my god. I want to show it to you first. Goodness. Can you see how sparkly that is? Or even inside the house. How much more later on if it's under the sunlight? It's very shiny. It is the enchantment Moissanite ring. It's an engagement ring. And yes, you heard it right. It's Moissanite. My glorious God. That is so beautiful. This ring features their signature magical moissanite stone, and it's in 3 carats. Oh my god, it's so big, right? And I got it in sterling silver in size 5.5. I'm hoping it will fit. So you can see, guys, that's what I am wearing at the moment. My engagement ring is a total of 2 carats natural diamond. We'll try to put this on and we'll see if this fits me. Oh my god, it fits really, really well. Look at that. Beautiful. It looks gorgeous. Oh my god, so beautiful. My god, I'm so over the moon. I'm so happy. So as mentioned, guys, this is moissanite. So it is not diamond, although its brilliance and sparkle rivals the natural diamond. So I will show you. So this is my diamond. Obviously this is not a perfect comparison because the sizing, the shape is different, but I just want to show you and give you a little bit of idea like what moissanite and diamond looks like. When it comes to the sparkle, they look very similar, but moissanite, you can avail it at a much more affordable price. This ring is gorgeous. I am out of words for this ring, guys. Taylorkom offers different sizes of stone. So as mentioned, this is the 3 carat, which I love, but they also offer 1 carat, 2 carats. Like, it's totally personal preference. And if you are not into the silver hardware, you don't have to worry because Taylorkom offers a different metal. So they also offer 14 karat gold, 18 karat, actually they offer 10 karat as well, and also platinum. And you can choose if you want yellow gold, rose gold, or white gold. So now it's where the certificate comes in. So it says, the certificate of authenticity ensures that your GRA moissanite is an original of exceptional quality and craftsmanship. So inside, you will see all the information about this ring. So here, there's lots of information, guys. But let me just show you. There's a report number there, shape, round, brilliant. So that's the shape of this ring, the stone. Measurements, it's 9 millimeters. Carat weight, it's 3 carat as mentioned. Color is D. Clarity is VVS1. And cut is excellent. So there you go. Now let's move on to the second item, which is the bracelet. And oh my god, I am so excited to open this one. So again, it's got that gold plaque with the Taylorkom name on it. And let us open. I can already see it. Wow. It is the tennis bracelet. And I chose the 0.01 carat, and you know what, this is the shortest that they have. It's in 16 centimeters or 6 inch. Oh my god. Ah! Oh yayamanin. Wow, look at that sparkle, guys. I'm very happy that they have an option of 6 inches because normally with the bracelet they come by default like 7.5 inches, which is too long for me because I have such small wrist. Ayan. So this is how you unlock it. Push that. There it goes. Let's put this on our wrist. Oh my god, it just completes the look. Perfect stacking, guys. It is so tricky to put on, but I finally got it on. Oh my god, sino ka dyan? Heart? Is that you, Heart? Wow! I'm speechless. What I love about their jewelry is that they are hypoallergenic. So if you are someone that has sensitive skin or you're pregnant, you don't have to worry. You can wear it with confidence, knowing that it's safe and of course it's comfortable. And also durability wise, each piece is oxidation resistant, so it means it's not gonna change color. So if you notice, when you buy something and when you wear it, it causes like grain around your finger or here on your wrist, and apparently this doesn't do that. This is the certificate for the tennis bracelet, and more information here. Carat weight is 0.1 carat, color is D, clarity is VVS1, just same as the ring. All in all, the quality and the beauty of this jewelry is just mind-blowing, guys. I am over the moon, super happy with the product. You definitely have to see it for yourself. I will leave the link to their website in the description box below, so as the link to this beautiful ring and this tennis bracelet. So if you want the exact one, you can easily find it. And of course, hindi mawawala ang ating discount code. I'll also put that in the description box below. Another amazing thing about this company is that they offer free and safe shipping wherever you are in the world. And in every purchase that you make, they plant 10 trees, and I'd love to support. Nowadays, a lot of people is choosing moissanite over diamonds, mainly because of the price difference. But the sparkle, the brilliance of both gemstones is very similar. According to Mohs scale, diamond is on 10, the hardest gemstone on earth, but moissanite is on 9.25, which makes it the second hardest gemstones out there. Choosing an engagement ring, it's all up to you if you'd like to go with moissanite or diamond. You do you, go with your budget, because at the end of the day, last longer marriage is not defined by your ring gem. And that brings us to the end of this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed watching it. Once again, I'd like to say a massive thank you to Taylorkom for this beautiful jewelry that they sent me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye. Mwah.